So that is an eagle's nest in a tree. And it almost looks like the last remaining tree. Kind of a start of an eagle's nest, but or it might be a hole in there smaller than I've seen before. I had never actually seen a raven's nest. I'm not sure how big they probably are. But if we kill all the trees,
I hope you got your sunglasses with you.
I do. Roger, roger. I think that's a spruce and a hemlock side by side dead. And another hemlock. And that's the hemlock that nest is in. Alaska's about the only place I really see that. A part it would already set with the sun. Because we're in the northern hemisphere, I'm still able to see the moon. Alaska's the only place I've been able to see that. Really pretty on the shore. A little different rock than I've been around. No rain whatsoever. A lot of salt water in here that should be murky rainwater. I don't know where the salmon are going to do this year if they don't get rain. Got a net out here. Easing down the shore. Got a couple thousand on that first one. I don't know if you noticed, but the boat didn't catch stuck anything that was back in the back out. Right on down the coast. That's a beautiful hemlock that died. That was a beautiful tree at one time. Sorry, I was watching my depth. Getting kind of close. That moss doesn't grow on the trees until they start getting weak. A healthy tree doesn't have it on it. There's the sunshine. That's why I was hoping I had my sunglasses. Anyhow, hope you enjoy riding it. Out now. Oh, not one chemtrail today. By the way, I wish I'd have mentioned that earlier, but no geoengineering operations in Southeast Alaska at this moment. I might create another little film just for that, because most people, unless it's the true warriors, don't really care what I have to say. But no geoengineering at this moment in Alaska. Either they're here or they're not. It has nothing to do with aircraft traffic. That is chemicals being sprayed in our atmosphere. Stand by. A little video.